Hey there, homeowners! Have you spotted that red blinking dot on your Schlage door lock? Don't panic. It's just a friendly reminder that your lock's battery needs a quick replacement. And guess what? Changing the battery is super simple. I'll walk you through it step by step. First things first, if you have a Schlage deadbolt, head to the inside of your door where the lock is. Look for the cover. No tools required. Just slide it up and off. Easy, right? Now, if you've got a Schlage lever set, you'll need a small tab or screwdriver to pop the cover open. Alright, next step. Remove the old 9-volt battery. Take note of its position because you'll want to insert the new one the same way. Slide in that fresh battery and listen for a single beep. That beep confirms the 9-volt battery is correctly installed. Finally, snap the cover back into place and test your Schlage lock by entering your code. If everything works as expected, you're good to go. See? Easy peasy. No sweat. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions or want to share your own experiences. Happy locking!